Let's start with string concatenation. First, we create a first name variable with the value John and a last name variable with the value Doe. We can combine these two strings using the plus sign, like this. First name plus space, which is wrapped in single quotation marks, plus last name. This adds a space between the two names to create the full name John Doe. Another way is by using the list and the join method. By joining the list first name comma last name with a space, we achieve the same result. Here we write a print method with the variables, which will enable us to see the results of the variable in the terminal when we run the script later. Now let's look at string functions. We have the string example which contains the text, "Hello World." The len function calculates the length of this string, giving us the total number of characters, including spaces. Then, we use the steamer function to convert a number, like 25, into a string. This is helpful when you want to mix numbers with text in your program. The type function confirms the data type, showing that the converted number is now a string. Finally, we have some common methods to manipulate strings. The variable method contains a messy string, "Hello World." The strip method removes extra spaces at the beginning and end of the string. The lower method changes all letters to lowercase. The upper method makes them uppercase. The title method capitalizes the first letter of each word. You can even combine these methods. For example, chaining strip with title cleans up the text and properly formats it as "Hello World." These are some of the basic string manipulation you can do in Python. After saving this script file, we can see the output of all the manipulation we did earlier by running the script in the terminal. Feel free to pause and see the result of the string manipulation.